Hello, welcome. My name is Harris Waddles with Amba Products. Today we are going to do a dive into our solo freestanding collection. Our freestanding collection comes in two sizes, a 24-inch width option sewn on my left and a 33-inch width option sewn on my right. We carry three different finishes: polished stainless steel here, matte black, as well as a brushed stainless steel finish. They plug into a regular outlet, and you have an integrated on-off switch on the top of the vertical bar. They are also nice because they are lightweight and portable. Weighing in just between 10 or 12 pounds, they can be picked up very easily and moved from your bathroom to a laundry room if you are doing laundry and have items that cannot be placed in a tumble dryer. You can move it to a mudroom, or you can also take it outside by a pool house or jacuzzi. They just cannot be left outside. Turn the switch off. You can fold these legs flat like this, and you can stick it behind a door, under a bed, or in a closet so it is out of the way. Heated towel racks do more than just warm your towels. A recent 7-day study found that towels dried on our heated racks experienced a 99% reduction in bacterial growth, keeping them fresher for longer and cutting down on laundry days. Thank you for joining us for this look into our solo collection. Check back soon for more videos and visit our website at ambaproducts.com.